Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Omniverse Replicator tutorial. In the last video, we have discussed Isaac Sim installation and a basic script of Replicator. In this video, we are going to learn about some use cases of cameras. This is our Isaac Sim. We will open a script editor by clicking on this Windows tab. Then click on Script Editor, and it will be open. Okay, we will write our script in this Python tab. Let's start with randomizing a camera's position uniformly. So guys, this is the script. In this script, we have created a camera with a randomized position using uniform distribution and set its rotation and focal distance or focus distance. This gives the starting point for capturing different perspectives. And this f-stop is the measure of aperture size in camera lens. In the Omniverse Replicator, the f-stop parameter controls the depth of field effect in your renders. If the value of this f-stop is 1.8, it will provide a shallow depth of field which can create a focus on specific subjects while blurring the foreground and background. And if the value of this f-stop is 8.0, it will provide a deeper depth of field where the foreground and background elements are in focus. After that, here, we have created a distant light and a cue by using the semantic and its position. Now, in the script, the camera position is randomized over 10 frames, creating a dynamic view of the scene. Then, open Synthetic Data Recorder by clicking on this Replicator tab, then click on Synthetic Data Recorder. I have already opened it. See this? This is my Synthetic Data Recorder. Fill these details accordingly. Our working directory will be, we will write videos here. And here is our subdirectory, whose name I will provide as camera_examples. And then in the parameter section, we can click the checkboxes as per required. Then we will write the number of frames we want as our synthetic data. We can write the number of subframes here, but for now I have written only the number of frames. Now just run the script and start your synthetic data recorder. Your data will start generating. You can check the generated data by opening the specified directory. Now we will click on Files. Inside the file, we have a folder called Videos. And then on the camera examples, we can check the output. So this is our output. This is the most basic example of camera, which we have learned. Let's move towards randomizing a camera position using a list in which we will define a list of camera positions, and according to that, our camera will be randomized. For that, we will update our given script a little bit. Now you have to write a camera position. And here, we will make a tuple. And inside this, we will provide the camera positions. So these are our camera positions. We will remove this. And in place of this, we will write it as choice. And here, camera position, or simply copy it and paste it. And in the synthetic data recorder, we will update its output directory. That is camera examples 2. Now just run your script and start your synthetic data recorder, and your data will start generating. Then again, go to the folder. And in the videos folder, you have camera examples 2 folder. Click on that and you can see your output. In our second example here, what we have done is that we have to find a list of camera positions to randomly choose from. And here we have used a choice distribution, in which, in each frame, the camera positions are selected from this camera position variable. That's all about the camera in Replicator. If you found this video helpful, stay tuned for further videos. Thanks for watching.